Not sure how Fibonacci extensions, expansions are drawn on that. Oh, here we go. I'll go over it more, though.
Hey, you guys could keep asking MetaTrader questions. There's a reason we don't use MetaTrader. It's because MetaTrader sucks. If you're using MetaTrader, understand you're using a platform that sucks. And we're not going to talk about how you do it on MetaTrader. The reason that we give you the download links for NinjaTrader, the reason that we do everything on NinjaTrader is because it works with NinjaTrader and it's free for you. If you don't take the time to download it and you want to know how you convert it to your, your Dukas copy trading platform, you're wasting our time and it's frustrating me. So stop it. And let's move on with what we're doing here. Now, again, I know that there is a strong desire for everybody to kind of understand the rationale behind. There's some groups of people, like I'm very, very big picture. Like I don't need a lot of details with why. I just need to know that give me the nuts and bolts and I'll run with it. I don't need to know a lot of the, like I don't need to know how my VCR works. I know some of you are like VCR, let's say DVD player, all right? Those are almost gone now. I don't need to know how my DVR works, okay? I don't need to know how that functions on the inside in order to know that when I hit record, it records the stuff on my DVR, okay? I know that there are some folks in the room who really love to know. They want to break it down. They want to understand how that DVR works and why it works and how all the component parts work. There's no possible way that we can cover that kind of stuff in here. We're painting with a broad brush here. So when we say, hey, we use the 127, the 1414, and the 1618 extension, the appropriate response to that is, okay, got it. Not, well, why do you use those instead of the other one? What about the Fibonacci level? The 50% isn't really a fib level, is it? Why don't you just use the Fibonacci retracement tool to project out the projections as well? Look, if we waste time talking about that stuff, we don't get to the good stuff. We still haven't shown you how to use Fibonacci's in conjunction with structure, support, and resistance and market harmonics. Isn't that really what you want to learn? Or do we want to waste time talking about this other stuff? So stick with us. No, I get it. I get a lot of you guys are engineers and stuff like that. So I ain't mad at you. I'm just saying, I know what you guys are wanting to get to, and we're getting you there. So just do me a favor and stick with us on this so that Akil can get to the really good stuff, which is where we show you how to use these fibs to predict those turning points.
Yeah, and that's a good point. I actually want to get right into that. A lot of you guys are asking, hey, can you get? It's easy to do it when you look at a historical chart, but how else can you teach it? How else are we supposed to teach them? Teach them the method on how to draw it on if we don't look back at examples on it. But you guys want to see on how. Let me ask you this: Who wants to see how I would use this live to make money? Give me a yes. I think they're questioning our trading ability here. Here's what I would do in this case. All right, that's good. All right. We have our impulse leg right here, right? Swing low to swing high. We can take our Fibonacci retracement tool from our lowest low, so the wick, I'm going to keep saying this, the wick of our lowest low to our highest high. You can see price action once again comes to about a 50% retracement. And it bounces off. We can also see that price action has put in a higher high, higher close above our previous structure level. So what does this mean? Higher high, higher close, what does that mean, guys? Come on, somebody who's been doing their homework, who's been paying attention. There we go. Broken structure, yep, uptrend. So now everyone's coming. So what's our next move? Let me ask you guys this. What's our next move? We know that price action is most likely to continue going up. What do we want to do next in our trading? Look at that. We got people typing it. Use the extension. We want to predict where price action is most likely to go. Correct? There we go. Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci extension. I like it. I like it. That's when I take my Fibonacci extension tool. All right, stop typing. Stop typing. Wait for it. From my swing low of my impulse leg,